First of all, we won the award for Best Work Execution Management. It's our third award from Uptime magazine. So right there is, a great thing that we're really proud of.
I'm Clint Shima, Senior Engineer in Reliability Engineering at Central San.
I'm Neil Meyer, Treatment Plant Maintenance Division Manager at Central San. I would say it started back in 2014 when the Board of Directors and the executive team wanted to put more focus on asset management and reliability. So that kind of set the roadmap of where we're going. But it was the grassroots type also. The staff was always wanted to continuously improve. So that was really the starting point when we aligned our aim with the mission, vision, and values, with our asset management policy. And then we actually created an asset management implementation plan.
In 2016, we were in the middle of a CMMS, a new CMMS, so transferring to a new CMMS. And we're also working with Max Smith on RCM. And working with a guru like that, really was profound. Somebody who's such an expert, and really, it lit a fire for me, anyways, to want to improve and just get better. It was inspiring.
It took us a while. It was in 2018 when we got Reliability for Engineering for Maintenance Award to get to that first step. Another part in 2020 was asset management program. So we built the infrastructure, the ecosystem to allow the asset knowledge, asset lifecycle management, all to the person in the field, going back to the boots on the ground. They like to have the tablet available to pull up information on what was the latest condition assessment, what's the work history, what's the spares on this asset. That's what's really satisfying too. It's kind of, you see others and you help others succeed by enabling them. We want to be an industry leader. We look at aligning with our mission, vision, and values to provide exceptional service, reasonable rates. And this is confirmation that we're doing that. Being the third award, it's really nice because work execution is kind of where the rubber meets the road. We're putting the strategy, the tactics into action.
And for me, winning 3 different awards at different levels, recognizes different levels in our organization. And this one means a lot. It's the people that are on the front lines doing the work. To recognize them is very important. They make the place run. The other awards are also a great honor, and we've been very proud of that.